In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails automatically in Gmail. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Gmail account set up so that incoming messages are automatically sent to another email address, which is really helpful if you manage multiple inboxes or want a backup of important messages. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to forward emails from. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Click on that gear icon to open the quick settings panel. In the panel that appears, you'll see a link that says See All Settings. Go ahead and click on See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where you can control all the advanced options for your Gmail account. At the top of this page, you'll see several tabs such as General, Labels, and so on. Look for the tab labeled Forwarding and POIP/IMAP and click on it. This is where Gmail keeps everything related to forwarding your emails and connecting with other email clients. Near the top of the forwarding section, you'll see a button that says Add a forwarding address. Click that button. A small window will pop up asking you to enter the email address you want your messages forwarded to. Carefully type in the email address where you want your Gmail messages to go. Double check for typos because forwarding will only work correctly if this address is valid. Once you've typed in the email address, click Next. Gmail will ask you to confirm that you really want to add this forwarding address. Accept the prompt and Gmail will send a confirmation email to the address you just entered. Now, go to that other email inbox where you're forwarding messages. Open the new email from Gmail. Inside that message, you'll see a confirmation code, as well as a link you can click. Copy the confirmation code from the email or simply click the confirmation link provided. If you use the code, return to the Forwarding and POIP/IMAP tab in Gmail settings, paste the code into the confirmation field and confirm. Once confirmed, your forwarding address is active. From here, you can choose how Gmail handles your messages after forwarding, such as keeping a copy in the inbox or archiving it, depending on your preferences.